Yeah, hi, my name is Kent, and I come down from Waterloo. And the reason I came down, I was experiencing some tingling and just some discomfort in the feet. For example, when I'd walk on the floor barefoot, it just felt like I was walking on gravel. And then I've been on gabapentin for about 2 years because I've had a lot of back issues, especially the last 3 years. Unfortunately, it's really I like to golf a lot, and it's really been very much a handicap as far as enjoying the game, and had to take many, many weeks off, unfortunately. But I think in time that is maybe a stimulus of some of the neuropathy I've been diagnosed with. So not only the feet discomfort, but at nighttime, if I would also experience above the knees and both legs a real burning sensation, and it keeps you up at night because it's very difficult. You can't sleep well when you have that burning, tingling sensation. And I also have a sleep apnea machine. And when you do not get rest, you do not get good oxygen in your blood flow, good things does not result from that for the next day because you're just lethargic. You get into a mode where you're more reactive to situations that come up, stressful things that happen during the day. And I needed help. And coming down here, I'm engaged in a number of their different programs, from hormone therapy to stem cell to PRP. And the staff is just absolutely wonderful on a day-to-day. Everybody come in, they're greeting you, and you could just tell there's a true care for me as a patient. They want to see me well, etc. So it's been wonderful. It's been a real blessing to meet everybody and engage with them on my visits. Early on, we addressed some of the back concerns, and that helped some of the discomfort I was experiencing on the low back. We also, one of the early ones was the hormone therapy. And within a couple of weeks, I just felt a little more energy, but also a little more, less brain fog, perhaps. I think it helped me to begin to sleep better. And just the brain fog kind of helped me overcome some of the stresses that came up during the day. I'm still full-time employed. And, just felt more calm, more able to take on more tasks, stressful situations, etc. So over time, I think as far as walking barefoot, I've noticed the last couple of weeks the graveling feeling. While it's still there, it isn't as bad. So I think we're seeing some benefits there. Yeah, for those that are kind of experiencing some discomfort in that, I guess I'd really encourage to have a consultation with a staff member, discuss your options. The program such as I entered into, it's an investment. But when I thought about health, future health, trying to curb the discomfort and the neuropathy issues I was experiencing, and hearing about or learning about folks that didn't make such a decision to move forward with trying to address it. I'm young enough, I didn't want to deal with future issues. I want to address it. As I move towards retirement in the next couple of years, I want to be able to take advantage of life. I want to be able to continue to golf, to travel, and just enjoy life. So it is an investment, and you got to look at it. What's your body worth? What's your health and wellness worth? And to me, once I kind of do some pros and cons, so to speak, mentally, if not physically, but it becomes an easy decision. It's well worth it, and you got to make the investment, spend the time, follow the program. One of the programs that was very challenging for me, and I learned it was due to neuropathy, but I was having a lot of stomach issues, and only to learn that that is what here at Iowa Wellness Center terms gut leak. Never heard of it before, but pretty much every symptom of gut leak I was experiencing. And they explained that's due to the neuropathy. The nerves are impacting your stomach lining and creating a lot of negative situations. But then I went on an eating program, and that was very challenging. I don't enjoy cooking. My type of cooking is microwave or grabbing something, or from the time the meal prep to the time you're enjoying the meal, it might be 10 minutes. So it was really a bit challenging to food prep, food plan, start making things. Not only that, they also get in a routine. With the neuropathy sessions, there's 2 sessions you got to do in the morning and at night. And I still always enjoyed working out in the morning, so now I have to get up, generally 4 to 4:30 currently, do my sessions. I have gym equipment in the basement. I'd prefer to go outside and walk in the mornings before work, but to go down and at least get some steps in, get some cardio, do some lifting, and be to work by 7:30 after making the smoothie that's part of the program. But at the same time, it was challenging to get the routine in place. Took a week or two, and you just had to learn, you just had to stay disciplined because you knew the end result was going to be valued. And, during the week, and then you come home and you gotta make a meal and do your sessions, and getting up that early, you want to get to bed at a decent time. It doesn't leave a lot of time, or at least in my situation, for extra time at night to run errands or a lot. So you just got to plan and do a lot of those things during the weekends instead. Yeah, for those that's kind of on the fence as far as whether to move forward with a program like this, in my case, I considered other options. I was trying to just learn what my options were. I had been to, for example, Rochester to Mayo a few times for my back, and only to learn, as far as with neuropathy and everything, the healthcare industry really doesn't address that. So you have to seek alternative care. And if you're really considering, again, talk to the consultants here, go through the program, ask tons of questions. I think I kind of maybe put them through the rigors up front, because you have questions, you have doubts, and you gotta make, because of the investment that it requires and everything, you want to make sure that you're making a very sound decision, what's best long-term for you. And again, once you sort through all those questions and answers and all the cobwebs involved, very, very happy I selected to come to Iowa Wellness Center.